it's fucking raining. Looks like a truck loader. What's this? Sing in the rain? I didn't bring my damn umbrella. Just start singing. Like, I'm getting my phone wet. I just put some plastic over my phone. This is shit. Sing in the rain? Slowly watch my shirt get wet. I'm just singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I know the rest of the words of the song. I'll make it up, because there's plants right there. Looks like I'm crying. I'm so sad. Look at the tears roll down my face. It's rain. I should have brought an umbrella. I should have brought an umbrella. But I want to be a little dude. I'm being stalked right now. Yeah. It's like I'm just finna drop some food off. I'm like, you finna run me over. I'm having some Easter flashbacks. Easter flashbacks. I'm thinking about, I'm fucking tired. I got shit to say. I'm gonna fire the camera up for no damn reason. People like looking at my face. Advertise these shots to lift me. Yeah, tobacco. Tobacco is wacko. Follow the fucking commercial. What the? I got a fucking pimple. I'm like 15 years old right now. Like, what the fuck? It's like one pimple. Let's go. You remember when you were 15 and you got a pimple? Well, I'm back, bitch. I'm fucking back. I was like, I remember shit when I was 15. I'm fucking old. I think this video is pointless. But you know, it's just like the fucking walk down the street block. And did the fuck walking down the street block do his job? Hell yeah. Ain't that right? Walk down the street block. Shut that. Walk down the street block, don't talk. I just wanted to make it right here so I can see this. I'm in the darkness. Oh yeah. I'm in the darkness. Oh no.